Okay, next flower, and it has a sharp leaves. And let's smell these leaves. Hmm, it's still same with pandan in bahasa, but there's no smells at these leaves because it's not pandan, and it has red sticks, right? And oh my, there's one branch that dried and brown. It means that it is dead. But another one still alive. Yes, as you see, and it plant on a flower pot. Let's see the flower pot here. It has again and again. What's this? Garbage. And of course, at here we can see the oh oh my, this flower was it has been eaten by the caterpillar. You see there are many holes here, holes and holes. Wow. Okay, from this side, maybe. Oh my! I I wonder who cuts this flower leaves like this. And what's the? Oh, I forgot. This leaf may be used for make cola and traditional drink in Indonesia. For the examples, bajigur and skoteng. What else? Oh, bandrek. They use this leaf to make them very aromatic. And what's that? Oh, but at this flower pot, it was amazing. They contains one, two, three, four, five. There are five plants here. It's the same species exactly. But luckily, these plants' leaves was so small, so they could avoid the what when there's no water here. As you see, it has small leaves. Okay, thank you for your attention. My name is Alphonse Kiferuzi. Back to MC.